In video, we'll explore creative and practical interior ideas for tiny homes, showing you how to maximize space without sacrificing style or functionality. Tiny homes have gained immense popularity in recent years, offering a minimalist lifestyle that focuses on efficiency, sustainability, and smart design. With limited square footage, every inch of space needs to be thoughtfully utilized to create a comfortable and functional living environment. We begin by discussing the core principle of tiny home design: maximizing every square inch. In small spaces, it's essential to focus on functionality, organization, and creating an open atmosphere that doesn't feel cramped. We'll explore how clever design choices can make even the smallest homes feel spacious and livable. First, let's look at the layout of tiny homes. Open floor plans are key to making the most of a small space. By eliminating walls between common areas like the kitchen, living room, and dining space, you can create an airy, open feel that makes the entire home feel more expansive. We'll show you how combining these areas into one fluid space can increase functionality while maintaining a sense of freedom. Flexible furniture arrangements and multi-purpose furniture pieces are essential to this approach, as they allow for different uses depending on the time of day or activity. Next, we'll explore the importance of smart storage solutions in tiny home interiors. In a small space, clutter can quickly make a room feel chaotic, so organizing your belongings is crucial. We'll showcase clever storage ideas such as built-in shelving, under-bed storage, and multi-purpose furniture like sofa beds and storage ottomans. Using vertical space is another great way to store items without taking up valuable floor space. So we'll show you how wall-mounted shelves and hooks can help keep things organized while adding to the room's design. Lighting is another important element of tiny home interiors. Natural light is your best friend in a small space, so maximizing windows and incorporating light, airy window treatments is key to making the room feel larger. We'll demonstrate how using light colors on the walls, such as soft whites or pastels, can help reflect natural light, making the space feel brighter and more open. We'll also show how strategically placed mirrors can enhance the effect by reflecting both light and space, making the room feel more expansive. While functionality is important, we'll also talk about the importance of creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere in a tiny home. The interior design should be comfortable and tailored to your personal style. We'll discuss how adding textiles like plush throws, cushions, and area rugs can add warmth and texture to a tiny home without overwhelming the space. Choosing simple, yet stylish furniture with clean lines can create a modern and timeless feel, ensuring that your tiny home doesn't just function well but also looks great. Next, let's focus on maximizing the use of outdoor space. Tiny homes often feature small patios, balconies, or decks, which can be transformed into an extension of your living area. We'll show you how to decorate these outdoor spaces with compact furniture, such as foldable chairs or benches, and how to use plants and greenery to create a cozy, inviting outdoor retreat. Adding elements like string lights or lanterns can also enhance the atmosphere, allowing you to extend your living area into the outdoors for dining or relaxation. We'll also cover the role of custom furniture in tiny home design. Since the space is limited, it's often necessary to invest in custom-built furniture that fits the exact dimensions of your home. Whether it's a built-in couch that doubles as a bed or a custom kitchen island with hidden compartments, we'll show you how to make the most of your space with pieces that are specifically designed for your needs. Tiny homes often come with a minimalist approach to design, focusing on the essentials while eliminating unnecessary items. We'll explore how this design philosophy extends to the kitchen, bathroom, and living areas. In the kitchen, Compact appliances and multifunctional designs, such as a foldable dining table or a retractable countertop, can maximize functionality. In the bathroom, we'll look at space-saving solutions like corner showers, fold-out vanities, and floating shelves that help create a sleek, modern look while making the most of limited space. Finally, we'll discuss how tiny home interiors can be personalized to reflect your style. While functionality is essential, your home should still feel like your own personal retreat. Whether it's through art, colors, or unique decor items, we'll show you how to make your tiny home feel warm, inviting, and uniquely yours. Small touches like a favorite painting, a patterned rug, or handmade accessories can add personality and charm without overcrowding the space. By the end of this video, you'll have a variety of practical and stylish interior ideas to transform your tiny home into a functional, comfortable, and aesthetically pleasing space. From maximizing storage and lighting to using